A very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss some questions of 2.5. Now in 2.5 all the questions are based on prime factorization. Now what is prime factorization? Whenever any number is expressed in the product of prime numbers is known as prime factorization. Suppose a number is 6. We know that 6 is not a prime number, but we can express 6 in the form of prime. Suppose like this, 2 multiplied by 3. So here 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number. Here 6 has been expressed in the product of two prime numbers. So it is known as prime factorization of 6. Similarly, there are a lot of questions in exercise 2.5. In exercise 2.5, there are a lot of questions. First, one question I am solving for you. Suppose the question is write the prime factorization of largest 4-digit number. Suppose this is a question that find the prime factorization of largest 4-digit number. So how to solve this question? So we know that largest 4-digit number is 9999, and we have to express this 9999 in the form of in the product of prime numbers. So first we will try to divide it by the first prime number, that is 2. So is it divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9, 3 is a 9. Again, it is again divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now it is 1111. So is it divisible by 5, 7, 9? No, these are not divisible. So it is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11, and then 0, 11, then. So we got that 9999 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 101. So you can see that 9999 is expressed in the product of prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, and 101 is also a prime number. So this is known as prime factorization of largest 4-digit number. Similarly, when you see the questions of your book, that is the first question, express the following as a product of prime factors. The first question is of 216. Second is 441. Similarly, a lot of questions are there. So all the questions will be solved like this only. Question number 2, 3, 4 all are same. So you will do it by yourself. Now moving to question number 5. Question number 5 is a bit different, so I am solving question number 5 for you. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 will be solved like this. Nothing else. Question number 5 is a bit different, so I am solving question number 5 for you. Question number 5. It is given that find the difference between smallest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number. We know that smallest 3-digit number is 100, and it is given the find the difference between smallest 3-digit number and smallest natural number. So smallest natural number, we all know that smallest natural number is 1. We have to find the difference. The difference means greater number minus smaller number. So greater number minus smaller number, that is 99, and we have to find its prime factorization of the resulting number. So this is the resulting number, and we have to find the prime factorization of 99. So we all know that 99 will be divisible by 3 30 times, 3 11 times, and 11 1 times. So 99 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11. This is how you will solve question number 5. Now question number 6. It is find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. You have to find the smallest number which is having 4 different prime factors. First, what are the smallest 4 prime factors? You must know have first 4 prime numbers are, what are the first 4 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 and 7. So product of, and what is the product? That is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 5 to the 10, 7 3 the 21. So 210. So 210 will be your smallest number, which is the product of 4 different prime numbers. Means question is find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So 210 is the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. So you can check it also. So let us check it. 210. For 210 it is 2 1s are 2, 105. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 7s are. Yes. So you can see that 210 stands for 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Hence we can say that 210 is the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Now rest of the questions are similar to this only. All the questions will be solved like this only. Thank you.